What is up guys, I'm Gabriel.meneses, your digital marketing coach, and today we're talking about the $80 strategy by Gary V. This one is huge, but the one I have for you is with a twist. There is a Google Chrome extension that lets you do this strategy without being on top of Instagram every single second. So make sure you pay close attention, like this video, subscribe, and let's get started. This strategy is called the $80 strategy by Gary Vaynerchuk, but today I'm bringing an updated version that will help you increase your chances and have even better results. So make sure that you stay until the end because I'm going to be revealing the secret tool to be able to increase your engagement and everything that you need to build a real audience inside Instagram. So what is the $80 strategy? This is super simple. You need to leave your 2 cents on 90 posts every single day. By 2 cents, I mean your comment and like. But this one, it needs to be a meaningful comment. You need to leave something of value inside the post. You need to put your opinion and create a real connection with this person, okay? So as you can see here, if you leave your 2 cents on 9 posts inside 10 different hashtags equals to $80. This is the premise of this training. So let me show you and walk you through the process so you can understand what it takes to be able to comment in 90 different posts to get all of the traffic every single day. So if you think about it, when you leave a positive, meaningful comment on 90 posts each day, you will greatly increase your engagement within the Instagram community and specifically within your niche. So if you are a chiropractor, for example, think about the person that's looking for this type of content. That's your potential client. If you have a personal account or a creator's account, the same way. It happens for every single niche that's available. So you want to be interacting in a meaningful and unique way with these people to be able to get the best of the result. The more real comments you write, the more real results you will receive. So what I mean by this, if you start leaving comments just to leave comments and get the interaction, you won't get the interactions back. You need to be making a real connection and start being social on social media. So let's think about the quality of your actual comments. So what should you comment in reality? Each comment must be unique to this person. You shouldn't be copy and pasting so you get and save time. You need to take the time and leave a meaningful comment. Start conversation, comment on current trends, or show your knowledge. If you are a chiropractor, just tell the person, I recommend this and showcase your knowledge, okay? So what not to do? Don't put amazing posts, check out mine, and start highlighting what you are so great, why your account is so great. Don't put like thumbs up, just an emoji, and that's it. You need to be reading the caption, looking at the post, and leaving a meaningful comment. So what to do? You can put, for example, haha, that's great. Awesome quote. I remember the last time when and you can add the other part. You can put something that adds into the conversation, or you can also put your opinion. Also, I think it's super important to remember this, and that. So you need to add the 2 cents inside the post. This way, when the person reads your comment, they actually look at it and think about it. Oh, he actually has a good point. Let me go and check the account and see what he or she has to say. And then most likely you will get a real follower that actually engages with your content. And then at that point, if you get the follow, make sure you send a DM and create a deeper connection. So when you start posting every single day, you actually have a real follower that interacts with your content and the other way around. This way you create a community inside your account. This is the cleanest way to get a real following on Instagram at the moment. So make sure you think about this and actually implement it. So let me show you how I do it manually so you understand what it takes to do this and put the time into it to get the best of the results. This is my personal Instagram account. This is my testing ground. This is where I test different strategies, different content formats, etc. But I'm not using any outreach strategies. At the moment, I'm doing daily posting with only hashtags. So I'm going to start doing the $80 on this account so you can see the actual results. So then when you watch this video, you can go to @HeyMeneses and see the actual follower count after implementing this strategy for 30 days. So the first step is to go to the search bar right here inside the explore page. So we click search and then we'll click the tags right here. When we click the tags, we now can look for actual hashtags inside our niche. For my case, I'm in the digital marketing niche, so I'm going to put digital marketing. So when we put digital marketing, we see the first one is called hashtag digital marketing and it has over 12 million posts. So we click this one and then we'll see different posts under these hashtags. So what I like to do is to click the recent ones because they are most likely to build a real connection with you because they're going to take the time to visit your account and actually leave you a comment and then you can create a real connection. With the top posts, this means that these posts actually have a ton of engagement, so it's super difficult to actually get noticed. You can try it if you want, but I like to only focus on the recent ones. Or I do, let's say from the 90 posts, I dedicate 30 of the posts in the top and then 60 of the posts in the recents. But so you know, it is more likely that you will get a reply from a recent post than from a top post. So now we go ahead and look for the posts inside the recent section. So we look for something that's relevant to our industry and something that we can leave a great comment so we can get an actual interaction for our account. So if we scroll and try to look for a post, let's see this one right here, 5 important Instagram skills. So if we swipe, we see the actual points, prepare animated post, regular posting, network and engage with your followers. After liking the picture, we're going to leave a meaningful comment. And then we go ahead and post the comment and we put our 2 cents on this actual account. So after that, we go and repeat this process for other different posts that actually relate to our industry. My recommendation is not to go overboard with the comments. So make sure you're doing 30 comments per session and not more than that because you might get action block. I have a solution for this problem that you can sit down and do a batch session of 90 comments in one sitting, but make sure you stay until the end of the video so you can learn how to do this, okay? So after that, you can repeat every day and rotate the industry hashtags every 2 weeks. I just taught you how to do the $80 strategy manually, but as you can see, it takes a lot of time. But the good news is that there is a platform that helps you through this process. It's just amazing, guys. It's called $80. So this is the $80 method. This platform actually helps you do the 90 comments in one single sitting, and then it will spread the comments through the day as nothing happens. This is a Chrome extension. It's not a bot or anything like that. It connects with the account without you putting the password or anything. And that's it, guys. You let it run and then it will put the comments through the day. It will track your performance. It will keep you updated. You will see the stats and everything that you need to know. It's just amazing. So I'll go ahead, create an account, show you around the platform, and then you can decide if you want to do this process manually or with this amazing platform. Just a quick break here to let you know that I'm posting videos just like this one over my Instagram account every single day. So make sure you give me a follow over there, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out over DM. I'm always happy to connect with you guys. So let's continue with the video. Here we are in the homepage of $80. The basic account is completely free to use and you don't need a credit card to sign up. So let's go ahead so you can see what's included in the basic account. So as you can see, we have hashtag targeting, we have 10 daily comments, we have commenting progress bar, we have queue comments, growth analytics, and commenting history. Then we have the premium subscription, which is the one I'm signing to. We have hashtag targeting, location targeting, profile targeting, which is coming soon. Then we have unlimited daily commenting, which is the most important part because we can do the 90 comments per day. Then we have the Q comment section and growth analytics, commenting history, leaderboard visibility. We can see the rankings inside the platform with other people, and then we can unsubscribe at any time. So let's go ahead and click get started. Then the Chrome web store will open, and then we click add to Chrome. Then we click add extension. So then we just added the extension right here. We can see it. Then we can close right here. And then we're going to sign up. Just a disclaimer, you don't need to use the same logins as your Instagram account. This is completely separate from your Instagram account. This is only a Chrome extension that runs completely separate. So now they tell us to set our hashtags. So the first thing you need to do is add your hashtags within your niche. So we click next. Then the post based on your targets will show you the best post for you to comment on each day. So we go ahead and click next. Then we have the commenting part, which is the most important one. Click on a post to open the comment box. Here you can add your comment and like the post. And we click next. Then as I told you, this platform lets you queue the comments. So basically you won't get action blocks. So Instagram does not allow a quick succession of comments. So if you are commenting quickly, $80 will start to queue and post your comments when suitable. This is super important so you don't get action blocks. So we go ahead and click next. Then we have the history. The history page shows today's comments and also all the comments you have made in the past. This is super useful if you want to go back to one of the accounts you interacted with. Then we go ahead and click complete. Now it's time to link your Instagram account. You don't need to put your login information or anything like that. You only need to open Instagram inside a browser of Google Chrome, then have the app right here installed, and then you click link right here. So now the app's open on our browser. Now the account is linked. And as you can see, we can go to my comments right here. And this person, remember when we actually interacted with this person manually, he actually replied to the comment. And as you can see how it works, it actually created a meaningful connection. So we go ahead and go to the actual page, and then we're inside. We see, hi Gabriel at @meneses. We see my account right here. No need to log in. You only need to open your Instagram account in a separate browser. And that's it. We're in. So here we have the interface of $80. Here we have the day, today the 21st of August, the comments. So we have 0 of 90. We haven't started yet. So every day you should be completing this part right here. This is super useful for you to keep count of how many comments you're actually doing. So the next thing we're going to do is to actually upgrade the account to the premium account. So we go ahead and click settings. And then we're going to go to billing and subscription. And then we're going to sign up to the premium $15 account. So I'm going to put my details and I'm going to be right back with you. Alright, so we just updated to the premium subscription. So the only thing left to do inside settings, we have the dashboard right here. So do you want to be part of the $80 leaderboard? So we put this on. And then this one we leave it off for default. Then notifications, we have these daily comment reminders, 10 a.m., daily comment in progress, and then long time no visit reminder. So that's fine. So now we're going to go to the targets right here. So if we click it, we see that for default, we have different hashtags right here. So we're going to delete all of these hashtags. So we have all the space empty. And then we're going to click add a target. So right here, we're going to put digital marketing. And then we click digital marketing right here. And then we have our first hashtag right here, as you can see. Then I'm going to add a few more targets. So we click add a target, and then we are going to add marketing. And also we can see different suggestions within this. So we have marketing strategy. We can add that one. We can add marketing tips. And also we can add branding. And then we can put digital marketing once again to see what they suggest. Digital marketing agency. And if you want to find even more ideas around your industry, go ahead to Instagram and browse inside the explore page, and you'll find a ton of hashtags that are working. Also, if you're posting every single day and you know what hashtags are actually working, it's actually good for you to go back to your page and actually search what's working and what's not. So for this one, I'm going to put, for example, marketing coach to see what comes up. And then I click this one, marketing mentor also. We see it's not too big of a hashtag, but it's okay. Then we can put social media marketing tips, and we can put Facebook ads, and then I think we have all the hashtags that we need. That's it. So as you can see, I put the first 10 hashtags and then I'm going to start rotating them every 2 weeks, but this is a good start. So as you can see, this is my target group. So it's under popular hashtags because I know I'm going to be using this one. So if I click edit, I can change the name right here and I put first round. And then we can actually change the emoji if we want, but I like the rocket, so we just updated this. The cool thing about $80 is that we can actually add a target inside our target group. So if we go ahead and click right here, we'll be able to put a location, for example. So we put Orlando, and then we click locations, and then we click done. And then we'll see that we just added Orlando as a target right here. So for local businesses, this is just amazing because you are interacting within a city and you can actually leave comments that are relevant to your demographic or target audience. So for my case, I'm going to delete the location right here, but now you know how to add a location inside your targets. So now let's say that I want to create a second round of targets. So right here, I click add a target group, and then let's pick a different emoji. For example, maybe a smiley face right here, and then we put second round. So we click add, and then we have a completely new set. So we go ahead and click add a target, and then we can find new hashtags within my niche. For example, we can put internet marketing, entrepreneurship. So you just got the idea. We can create as many target groups as we want. And then let's say that you want to delete one of the target groups. So what we do is we click edit, and then we click delete, and then it was deleted. As you can see, we only have the first round right here. So now you know everything about the targets, and you actually can move the targets position right here. So let's say that you want to see marketing strategy first in your post. So you put marketing strategy right here. But for my case, I'm going to put marketing because it's the most general one. So now that we order this, we can go and click post. So now let's go ahead and find a post that's relevant to our account. So let's scroll down and pick maybe this one. Why are you losing followers? So we can click this one, and then this person go ahead and explains the reason why, and then we can read the post, and then we can engage with the post. So right here you can see we can like the post, and then we can actually follow the person if we want, and then we can actually write the comments. So let's go ahead, read the post, and comment something meaningful. So this person is giving 3 important points. First, about the bots, that sometimes they stop following you and other people do follow and follow. And then we have that the content is actually not good, so they stop following you. So now we can go ahead and actually comment something relevant. So we can go ahead and put, this is so true. That's why I focus on building real connections with my audience. As soon as I get a new follow, I make sure to send the person a DM and say hi. What about you? And then we can go ahead and click post. And then we see that the post is queued, and then it says posted. When you make more than one post in a single sitting, you will see that at some point your comments will get queued. So this is good because this will prevent your account getting action blocked. So now that we commented, we can see our comment right here. So if we go to our Instagram, we can actually visit the profile, and then we can see our comment right here. So now you know how to actually comment on a post, and as you can see, I like the post. I always like the post, and if you really like the account, you can follow the person back, and we can also explore other posts of the person and then leave another comment. But what I tend to do is to actually go to a different account and do the same process. I don't spend much time just commenting in one single account because we already put our 2 cents inside that account. So after commenting on this account, we can go ahead and close this window right here. And then we can see that the post right here is already blurred out because we already commented. And if you notice, if we open a post, let's see, we click this one. So if we close it and you see that there is an eye on top, so this means that you already viewed the post and maybe you are not into it and you don't want to comment on that specific post, which is something super great. And then here we see the post that we already commented and now it's blurred out, as you can see. So now you can see the comment right here, 1 of 90, we have 89 to go. But what I recommend is just separate 60 minutes every single day, go into the platform and just dedicate this time to actually comment something meaningful to this post, and you will see actual results, actual real people following you back, interacting with you, and you will get results as clean as possible. So this is the post part right here. So if we go here, we can go to top and then we can go and do the same thing with a trendy post, as you can see. Then we also have the locations right here. If we click it, you will see the actual post inside the location. So remember when I told you about the location part inside targets, we can add a target right here. We put, for example, Orlando, and we pick Orlando right here. And then we click done. We'll see Orlando right here. If we go post, we put hashtags and we put locations. We'll see posts in Orlando right here. So as you can see, super easy for local businesses. Now, if we go back to hashtags, we can go to recent, and now we're back where we were. So as you can see, it's super simple to use. You do 90 comments every single day. You can do everything in one sitting in less than 60 minutes. So also, if you want to be motivated, you can go to the leaderboard right here, and you can see people just like you doing the same strategy and how they are doing. So you have the highest growth right here. You have the people that actually are doing this strategy and they're having success. Also, you have the highest achievers. Then you have the 24-hour count, how many comments this person is doing. So the top person is doing 182 comments per day, which is amazing. And then you can see it's super, super awesome. This platform lets you stay motivated and on track. You also have the activity. You can see my posts, my followers, my following. You can see the latest followers, latest following. Also, you can see today's stats, 1 comment of 90. I gave 1 like. I follow 0 people. Followers gain, I gained 0 right now because I only did 1 comment. My engagement is 5% overall in my account. Post today 0. Then right now, I don't have anything right here because this is my first day using the account. But then you will see some stats coming along. You can see 1 week, month, quarter, year, and then we can see all. And then if we go down, we got targets today. We have our targets right here. And then we have 1 comment inside this hashtag. So remember, you're doing 9 comments inside each hashtag. This is super cool because you know and you're keeping track of each hashtag and the number of comments you're leaving and also the actual locations you're using. And then coming up soon are the profiles right here. And then finally we have achievements. So right here we have badges. So right here I have set 10 hashtags. I got this one. Then when we give 10 likes, we get this one and so on. And this keeps you motivated to keep going and actually engage with people. So if we go to history, we can go ahead and actually click here and view the comment and reference this comment and maybe follow back inside the post or something like that. This is something super cool because it actually helps you keep track of all past comments. So I just show you about the posts, targets, histories, activity, and leaderboards. Also the settings, now you know. Also we have the support. You have all the articles right here available for you. Also you can contact them through info@$80.com. or go to their Instagram account and send them a DM, and then you can get in contact with the team. And finally, you have the blog where you can learn more about Instagram strategies, etc., which is super, super useful. What I recommend is commit to 30 days of posting 90 comments per day, and you will see the results. I'm 100% sure. So make sure to go ahead. If you are in for the challenge, go ahead to my account at @Meneses and let me know via direct message. Listen, I'm in for the challenge. I'm doing this. Let's see how it goes for me. So I'll be there to, cheer you up and just like, listen, you can do it. So we can connect and we can actually see the results that you get. So the link is down in the description, and just for my followers, there is a coupon code there. So you can use it and you can get 50% off of the first month. So make sure to check it out. I'll see you in the next one. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to like it, subscribe, and ring the bell so you are notified whenever I post a new tip about Instagram. So I will see you in the next video.